In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe checkout for multiple products. To get started, log into your Stripe account and head into your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the product catalog section. This is where you'll manage everything you plan to sell through Stripe checkout. Before creating the checkout page itself, make sure all the products you want to offer have already been created. If they haven't, go ahead and add them now. As you create each product, be sure to assign a price to it as well. This is important because Stripe needs a price attached to every product before it can be added to a payment link. Once your products and prices are ready, click on Payment Links. From there, select Create Payment Link to begin building the checkout experience your customers will use. Now click Add Product and choose the first product you want to include in this checkout. If you want customers to be able to purchase more than one item in the same session, click Add another product and continue selecting the additional products you want to offer together. This is the key part of setting up a multi-product Stripe checkout, since it allows you to combine several items into a single payment link. After adding your products, take a moment to adjust the quantity settings for each one if needed. For example, you may want customers to be able to buy multiple units of one item, while limiting another item to a single purchase. These settings help you control the checkout flow and make it match your offer more closely. Next, review the product list carefully to confirm everything appears correctly. This is a good time to double-check that the right items were added and that the checkout reflects what you intend to sell. After that, configure any additional settings you want to use, such as taxes, discounts, shipping options, or customer information collection. These settings can make your checkout more complete and help you gather the information you need while also improving the buying experience for your customers. When everything looks good, click Create Link. Stripe will generate your checkout link, and then you can copy it for use on your website, in emails, or anywhere else you want to send customers. As a final check, open the link and verify that all the selected products appear correctly on the checkout page. This quick test helps you catch any missing products or incorrect settings before sharing the link publicly. Once that's confirmed, your Stripe checkout for multiple products is ready to go. Thanks for watching.